Are you looking for the best web-based OS for your old laptop or PC? Then ChromeOS Flex is the one you must try. Now this OS brings a brand new life to your old computer. ChromeOS Flex is a free cloud-based operating system that gives a fresh life to your old laptop, PC, and MacBook. Now previously, Neverware was handling this project named as Cloud Ready. Now later, Neverware becomes a part of Google and brings a Cloud Ready operating system to the existing computers for free. Hey guys, my name is KS Kiroil. This is a quick overview of ChromeOS Flex running on my 10-year-old Windows PC. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install ChromeOS Flex on any compatible PC or laptop. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with a quick overview of the ChromeOS Flex. Now this is the default desktop screen you get to see after setting up the system. This is a cloud-based OS. You can find all of the web applications which require the internet to be connected. Now if you right-click on the desktop screen, you can find options to tweak the position of the shelf. This way you can replace the shelf to the bottom, left or right very easily. Now along with that, you get an option to change the background wallpaper. Now all these wallpapers are stored in the cloud, which is easy to download and apply to the home screen. Now choose the wallpaper you need, then wait for a second and you can see the wallpaper has applied to the desktop screen. Now all these wallpapers are incredible and look amazing on high-resolution displays. To the bottom, you get to see a shelf, also known as a toolbar or a panel. The shelf holds a space for pinned applications, system controls, and an app menu. To the left, you can find a launcher, and this helps you to find all of the installed web applications. Now, these are the default applications you get to see in ChromeOS Flex. There is a web store. Using this, you can download useful applications and play online games. Now, just like Linux or Mac OS, you can tweak the system with the help of settings. Now, using this, you can increase the size of the system UI, control the speed of the mouse cursor, refresh rates, and more. The ChromeOS Flex Edition also adds a support for a Google Assistant. Unfortunately, there is no Play Store application to run Android applications. To the bottom right, you can find system controls along with a pin platter. Now, using these system controls, you can turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, nightlight, control the system sounds, and access the settings page easily. You can also see the controls for notifications, shutdown, and logout. The default Files application is very simple and easy to use. Now on the sidebar, you can navigate through the internal storage and find all of the files stored inside it. You can also go through your cloud drive and see all of your files. Now if in case your system is connected to external drives, it will be shown on the sidebar. Now speaking about video playback, you can play any video from the internet and the playback experience is super smooth. Also, while playing a video on YouTube, you can enable the picture-in-picture mode using the media controls from the shelf. Now if you head over to the developer section inside settings, you can find an option for a Linux development environment. It's like WSL for Chrome OS. Now using this feature, you can install a Debian-based Linux system that runs inside a virtual machine. By the time of recording this video, ChromeOS Flex Edition is not stable enough to handle the Linux environment and I'm not able to install it on my system. Now this could be fixed in the stable release. Now, overall, I would say ChromeOS Flex is a very lightweight cloud OS that brings a brand new life to your old laptop or PC. Now, this could be extremely useful in the fields of education and learning. It's time to show you guys installing ChromeOS Flex on the computer. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to install ChromeOS Flex on my 10-year-old PC. Now keep in mind, if in case you're installing ChromeOS Flex on your laptop, make sure the laptop is supported. You can head over to this link and find out your laptop model. Installing on unsupported laptop or PC results in poor performance and stability issues. Anyway, first things first, these are the system requirements. You need an Intel or AMD CPU, a 4 gigs or higher RAM, an internal storage of at least 16 GB, and lastly, you need an 8 GB plus USB drive to create a bootable USB with ChromeOS Flex. Alright, make sure you need a computer running Mac OS or Windows to create a bootable USB with ChromeOS Flex. Right now I'm using a Mac OS. Now go ahead, connect the USB drive or pen drive. Then open the Chrome browser and make sure you are running the latest version. Then head over to the Chrome extensions. Then look for this extension known as ChromeBook Recovery and install it. Now once it's done, go ahead and open this tool. Now tap on Get Started. Now if you're installing on your Chromebook, you can type the model number over here. Now for now, I'm going to select a model from a list. Then select the manufacturer and look for Google ChromeOS Flex. Then choose the product as ChromeOS Flex Unstable Edition. And tap on Continue. Now make sure you have inserted the USB drive or pen drive and select your drive from here. Then click on Continue. Now go ahead, click on Create Now. Now this will download the ChromeOS Flex from the internet and flashes it automatically to the USB drive. Now this could take some time. Go ahead, grab some coffee, sit back and relax. Keep in mind, if you're installing on any old laptop that has Windows or any other OS, it will be replaced with ChromeOS Flex, so please back up any important data. And that's it. Once it's done, now restart your computer. While it's rebooting, head over to the boot section page by pressing Escape key or F10 or F11 or F12. And if you are trying on a Mac, you can press the Option key. And here you can see the USB drive. If you don't see your USB drive, check the BIOS and enable boot from USB devices. For now, I'm going to boot the ChromeOS Flex from the USB drive. Right, now you can see this screen. Go ahead, choose your system language and click on Get Started. Now here you can see the two options. The first one is used to install the ChromeOS Flex on your system, and the second option allows you to try ChromeOS Live Session from the USB drive. Please go ahead and spend some time with the ChromeOS Live Session and find out the things that are working like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and then decide to install. Now, as of now, I'm going to select the first option and proceed to install ChromeOS Flex on my PC. Now, go ahead, follow the on-screen instructions. The installation process will take anything around 5 to 10 minutes. So once it's done, you can see the installation complete message. Now go ahead, shut down the computer and eject the USB drive. Now after a few seconds, turn on your computer. Now your system should boot into ChromeOS Flex. And that's pretty much it. This is how you install ChromeOS Flex on any compatible computer. Now keep in mind, as of now, ChromeOS Flex Edition is not stable enough to be used as a daily driver, and you may experience some issues, and don't expect everything should be working fine. So what do you guys think about it? Let me know your opinion by commenting down below. And if in case you like this video, hit the thumbs up down there, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and consider hitting the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching this video. This has been KSK Ryle. I will catch you in my next one. Bye-bye.